Today we're discussing how arrays in JavaScript aren't actually arrays. If you console log an array, you expect an array. Let's try it out with a couple more variable types, a number and a string. If you console log all three of these, you get the same expected output, an array, a number, and a string. Let's test it in Node. Here's where everything breaks down. If you run typeof, you get back the expected variable type. Numbers return numbers, strings return strings, arrays return objects. JavaScript has a few built-in functions to help with that. Specifically, array.isArray and instance of array. Both of these are actually class functions, as JavaScript uses a built-in array class in order to instantiate what looks and feels like an array on the outside. Remember, Neo, there is no spoon.